Hey, update. We got Joey back. I'm on my third beer right now. Haven't cracked open the Hennessy yet. So that's waiting for dinner time. Devin. Say hi, Devin. There he goes. And Joey. Oh, shit. He's all the way back there again. I don't know. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's him. But he's not stuck anymore. So that's good. And we're just floating along down the river. Beautiful, beautiful Blue Jays day. All sunny. The scenes, it's windy and it's working against us, so it's all right though. Kayak's not leaking, which is good. I'm realizing I really like this kayak. Holds a lot of weight and my head's crooked. Oh, did I tell you I got stuck earlier in the rapids and I had to get out and get my boat out? Oh, look, hold up. There he is. Listen to his little country music over there. Look at him. All right. I'll touch base with you guys later. Bye.